fancy like Applebee's on a date night. Got that Bourbon Street steak with the Oreo shake.
Hi everybody, it's Margot, and I'm here again with another Dollar Tree haul. This is a small Dollar Tree haul, but everything in this Dollar Tree haul, I'm going to make a New England Patriot red, white, and blue themed basket. And also everything in this basket, including the basket, was purchased at Dollar Tree. Okay, let me get started. First is this big white basket. These mini cups, there's 22 in a pack. Again, I was going with the red, white, and blue theme. 18 paper straws. Milk chocolate flips. Some bugles. Fiddle faddles. And another box of fiddle faddle. This is the flavor I like, the butter toffee. Some chocolates, Nestle Crunch, some Kit Kats, and some Baby Ruth. A 4-pack of 2 cookies per pack, Oreos. Some Pringles. This Rip It energy drink, it's cherry lime. Love the design on that. Perfect for this basket. Then a blue and white football. Couple of New England Patriots signs. Let's go Patriots. This one says, welcome to our home. Then we have this one with the helmet. It says loyalty. This is hollowed out in the back. We could sit this on a shelf. A New England Patriots lanyard. My son and stepdaughter have one of these. And I found the New England Patriots magnets. I bought 2 of these. And then last but not least, these football-shaped glasses. And I'm putting 2 in the basket. And next, I'll be making the basket. Okay, here I am returning, and we're going to put this basket together. Let's see, maybe you can see better if I do it this way. Okay, not too bad. Thank you very much. And if you do like the content of this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and hope to see you next time. Bye.